Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can fix your Wi-Fi not connecting issue on Android device. If your Android device is experiencing Wi-Fi connection issue, you can try following these troubleshooting steps to resolve the problem. The first thing is you can restart your device. Now, sometimes a simple restart can fix temporary glitches. So to turn off your phone, you need to hold on to your side button. And after that, you'll be able to see this option as power off. Just swipe down and you'll be able to restart your device. And that might be able to fix your issue. If this is not working out, then you can also toggle the Wi-Fi off and on. That is, you have to just exit out here and then you need to long press on your Wi-Fi, toggle the button that's located in the top right hand side and turn it off for a certain time, and after that you can restart it or refresh it, and that must be able to fix the issue. If that is also not working out, then you can also try reconnecting it. So for that, you need to long press on it and tap on the forget button located right over here, and that must be able to fix the issue all at once. However, if you're still unable to fix it, then what else you can do is you can also try turning off your router for a certain period of time, and after that reconnecting it, and that must be able to fix the issue. You can try checking for an update, and if there is any software update available on your device, that must be hindering the issue. So go ahead and update it, and that must be able to fix the issue. Or else, if nothing seems to be working out, then the only way to fix it is by contacting the network provider or support team and stating about the issue, and they'll look into your matter. So that's basically how you can fix your Wi-Fi not connecting issue on Android. And that'll do for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.